So today we will talk about the trends in standard electrode potentials of d block elements. So the trend is actually irregular for the d block elements. Means there is no gradual increase or decrease in the values. Sometimes increasing, sometimes decreasing. The reason behind that is it is due to irregular variation of ionization enthalpies and the sublimation energies in the period. So as I told you earlier that the value of ionization enthalpy, the sublimation enthalpy and the hydration energy, these three type of energies have very important role in deciding the electrode potential. So uh, the electrode potential of these transition metals are low in comparison to the elements of group 2. यानी अगर इनके इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल के वैल्यूज को हम कंपेयर करें विद द ग्रुप 2 metals, so it is very low. The reason behind that is because the transition elements have very large value of ionization enthalpies and enthalpy of atomization. यानी इन एलिमेंट्स को आयनाइज करना आसान नहीं है एज कंपेयर्ड टू योर alkaline earth metals. So these factors reduce the electrode potentials through their hydration enthalpies are very large. So if we talk about zinc, so zinc has low enthalpy of atomization, यानी इसको atomize करना आसान है, but it has large hydration enthalpy, यानी ये जब aqueous medium में होता है तो बहुत easily hydrate होता है, and it has a low electrode potential as compared to other member of the series. It is a minus 0.76 volt, and the reason behind that is because zinc has very high values of ionization enthalpy. So the first enthalpy value for zinc is 908 kilojoule per mole, and second is fairly very larger, approximate double, 1730 kilojoule per mole. So the total energy change will be 2638 kilojoule per mole. So that's why it has low value of electrode potential. If we talk about the copper, so it is the only metal in the 3D series which has positive reduction potential, and it is about 0.34 volt. So it is the least reactive metal in this first series, and it is a reason that when we put copper metal in any acidic solution, so there is no liberation of hydrogen because copper has low electrode potential as compared to hydrogen ions. So in general we can say that the value becomes less negative across the series, यानी जब वैल्यू में हम जब हम सीरीज में बढ़ते हैं तो वैल्यू हमें नेगेटिव मिलती है मगर कम नेगेटिव मिलती है, and the reason is it is due to the general increase in the sum of first and second ionization enthalpies. ये मेन रीज़न है इसका. Generally this question is asked that why manganese and zinc have more negative values of their standard electrode potential than expected from the general trend. यानी अगर हम जिस ट्रेंड को फॉलो कर रहे हैं उस ट्रेंड के अकॉर्डिंग की वैल्यू जो है वो जो है काफ़ी कम नेगेटिव होनी चाहिए, बट वैल्यू जो है एक्चुअली इनकी ज़्यादा नेगेटिव होती है. क्यों? तो पहली चीज़ में आप देख सकते हैं इसमें कि जब मैंगनीज आयन एक्वस मीडियम में दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक्सेप्ट करता है तो इट गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू द मैंगनीज एटम, and the value for the manganese is -1.8 volt. तो ये एक्सपेक्टेशन से ज़्यादा है. क्यों? तो आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंगनीज का जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होता है वो होता है 3d5 4s2, बट ये जब दो इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करता है तो इसका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हो जाता है 3d5 4s0. So you can see that in the 3d5 orbital, each suborbital is containing one electron in each subshell. So as I told you earlier, that the half-filled orbitals are actually very highly symmetrical uh, orbitals because they have a symmetrical arrangement of electrons. So this symmetrical distribution of electrons provides more stability to the manganese ion, and that's why, because of high stability in the aqueous medium, it is difficult to reduce. इसको reduce करना आसान नहीं है. That's why it has negative value of electrode potential. And if I talk about zinc, so when zinc is present, zinc ion is present in the aqueous medium, and when it accepts two electrons, so it get reduced in the form of zinc metal atom, and the standard electrode potential value of zinc is minus 0.76 volt. So it is again greater than expectation. So what is the reason? So zinc has the configuration 3d10 for S2 in the ground state, but when zinc loses 2 electrons, it has configuration 3d10 4s0. So you can see that in the 3d orbital, in each subshell there is a pair of electrons. So each subshell containing two electrons, okay? And 4s orbital is empty. So again, because each subshell has a same number of electrons, so the whole d orbital have highly symmetrical arrangement of electrons, and this high level of symmetry gives more stability to the zinc ion. So because the zinc ion is highly stable in its oxidized form in the aqueous medium, that's why it is difficult to reduce, and that's why it has fairly negative value for standard electrode potential. So we will take the third case of nickel. So nickel ion has again high negative value for standard electrode potential than expectation. Why? So nickel has a ground state configuration 3d8 4s2, and in the ionic state it has a 3d8 4s0 configuration. But let's take a view about the data of their different energies of nickel. So the first ionization enthalpy of nickel is 736 kilojoule per mole, and a second enthalpy value is 1752 kilojoule per mole. So total will be 2488 kilojoule per mole. And the hydrogen enthalpy is a fairly large negative value. It is minus 2096 kilojoule per mole. And the enthalpy of atomization for nickel is 430 kilojoule per mole. So what will be the overall energy change to ionize your nickel? So after calculation, you will get 822 kilojoule per mole. It is the overall energy change. So what is the meaning of this value? So as I have written there, that the smaller the value of total energy change for a particular oxidation state in aqueous solution, greater will be the stability of that oxidation state. यानी किसी मेटल आयन के लिए aqueous मीडियम में जो उसका ओवरऑल एनर्जी चेंज है वो जितना कम होगा वैल्यू, ठीक है, जितना वैल्यू कम होगा वो आयन एक्वस मीडियम में उतना ही ज़्यादा स्टेबल होगा उस पर्टिकुलर ऑक्सीजन स्टेट में. तो जब निकिल 2+ आयन जनरेट होता है आपके एक्वस मीडियम में, तो बिकॉज ऑफ वेरी लेस amount of overall energy change, it has highly stable in the aqueous medium. So you can say that due to high stability of nickel 2+ ion, it is difficult to reduce this ion, and that's why it has negative value of standard electrode potential. So it is the explanation for the negative value of nickel ion. So I think it is clear to you. We will talk more about electropotential in the next video. Thank you so much.